Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a helicopter out of 48 pieces of magic zinc puzzle. First up, turn this yellow one black. Now count to 1, 2 and turn this blue one towards you. Now count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And turn this each one towards you. Now turn this blue one. Now turn this pink one to the right. Now turn this green one away from you. Now turn this yellow one away from you. Now turn this purple one up. Now turn this each one towards you. Now count for 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn this yellow one away from you. Now turn this purple one away from you. Now count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And turn this peach one away from you. Now turn this blue one away from you. Now turn this green one to the right. Now turn this yellow one. Now turn this purple one to the left. Now turn this one to the right. Now turn this pink one up. Now turn this blue one down. Now turn this green one up towards you. Now turn this yellow one up. Now turn this peach one towards you. Now turn this purple one away from you. Now turn this blue one down. Now turn this pink one towards you. Now turn this yellow one up. Now turn this green one down. Now turn this purple one away from you. Now turn this peach one away from you. Now turn this pink one towards you. Now turn this green one up. Now turn this green one away from you. This is what it should look like on either side. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and follow my Facebook page for more videos. Bye.